It's absolutely enthralling while we are here, especially Winter Fiesta being the most awaited event in KPS, and it has always been in the history of KPS. So it's really thrilling to watch the excitement and the enjoyment that everybody is going through, and the food stalls are completely filled because people love food and we are Bengalis, right? So absolutely, the whole event came through in a very smooth manner, especially because of our coordinators, ma'am, our director, sir. The way they played out the whole thing was really impressive, and it's been a great day so far. Exactly, because our whole theme of Winter Fiesta 2025 on day one was the timeless rhythm of India. So that was the main theme. Our whole performances were, encircling the main cultures of India, because we tried to encapsulate all the states, but of course 29 states and 7 union territories are not always possible. So we tried to the main north to east, then north to south, and east to west. All the cultures of India which are very prominent, we try to uphold them. So there was like Nagara song, like Bhangra of Punjab, then there was Bihu of Assam, and Kathakali of Kerala. So all these performances were led by narrators. We were the MCs. Definitely, we led the program throughout, but those narrators were coming in a thread manner. So all the performances went in a thread, hand in hand. Just the culmination of one performance led to another by the narrators, and they enacted the cultures of each state, each culture they represented, and then the performances of songs and dances laid on. Our anchoring experience, it doesn't really come in one day or 1 year. I have been doing this since I was a child, like 5 or 6. So it has really built in my veins, and now I don't feel any emotions or any nervousness when I get on the stage, because it all comes very naturally. So it years of experience has led to this moment. I'm Mamta Sheikh. I read in class 11 Delta Humanities of Krishnanagar Public School.